I love English teaching because English teaching is the only platform that can bring the opportunity to connect with lots of people on a daily basis. And if I were in a different profession, there will be no chance of getting so much people in one room. So in the classroom, I have the full opportunity to connect with a lot of people, and teaching is the only way that can help me to connect with different age groups. There are some business or some jobs who can connect me with one particular person, but teaching is the only way. You have to teach different type of age learners, so that's a good opportunity, I think.
What do you think? Grammar is important for learning English?
Not that much. For speaking, I think there is not that much role of English grammar, but for writing, grammar is essential.
Okay. People say 4 skills. What are the 4 skills in English language?
According to the University of Cambridge, they have researched that if a person can claim that he is a good communicator, he or she needs to have 4 skills. The first skill begins with listening, and then speaking, then reading, and finally writing. So listening is very important if you want to develop your skill as a good speaker, as a foreign speaker. So foreign people helps you to improve your listening. So try to listen to the foreign people because they have good accents, and that good accents can help you to understand, to create a great skill of listening.
How many years are you teaching at Liakat's English?
At Liakat's, it's been 10 years now. It's a decade now. So it's a great journey.
How is your experience last 10 years at Liakat's?
I would say it's a very healthy experience and very delightful experience because it has a platform where I can meet learners from different backgrounds, from variety of diversified communities, and not in Liakat's. I think teaching is the only profession that can help me to connect with a lot of people from around the world.